So guys, I'm on my way to get my ears done, re-pierced, because if you watched my Frederick Valley channel, then as you saw, they re-pierced. I mean, the hole healed. So we're on the way to Claire's right now, and we're gonna go and get them re-pierced, so I'll see you at Claire's. So guys, we're at Claire's, now let's just go in. I'm a bit nervous. Let's just go. So guys, this is the one that I chose, and they're so nice. You want to look at them? So guys, I've got them done. I'm so happy now. Here's the ones that I got. Yeah, so now let's just go back to the car, and yeah, let's go.